This video shows you how to replace a printhead in the HP Latex 110 printer. This first step shows how to remove the printhead you want to replace. On the printer's front panel, press the Printheads icon, then press the Replace Printheads button. The printer will move the carriage to the removal position. Open the printer window. Caution: if the carriage remains in the removal position for more than 3 minutes without inserting or removing any printhead, the carriage will attempt to return to its home position to the right. Pull up and release the latch on top of the carriage. Lift up the cover. Lift up the blue handle of the printhead you want to replace. Gently pull the blue handle upward until the printhead is released from the carriage. Do not pull abruptly, or you may damage the printhead. The front panel display identifies the missing printhead. Now you can install the new printhead. Check that the colored label on the new printhead matches the colored label of the empty carriage slot. The printhead is designed to prevent you from accidentally inserting it into the wrong slot. If the printhead is new, shake it vigorously before removing the protective caps. Hold the printhead upright with the protective caps facing down and shake the printhead vigorously in a smooth up and down motion for about 15 seconds. Be careful not to strike the printhead against anything while shaking it, because this could cause damage. Remove the orange protective caps by pulling them down. Insert the new printhead slowly and vertically, straight down into its correct slot. Press it down firmly but smoothly. You should hear a beep and see confirmation on the front panel display that the printhead has been inserted. Be careful. The printhead can be damaged if you insert it too quickly or at an angle, or if you rotate it as you insert it. Close the carriage cover and close the latch. Make sure that the end of the latch catches the wire loop on the near side of the carriage. Lower the latch to rest on the carriage cover. If the printhead has been inserted correctly and the printer has accepted it, the printer beeps. Close the printer window. The front panel display confirms that all of the printheads are correctly inserted. After installing the new printhead, some automatic routines will be launched. The printer starts checking and preparing the printheads. The time required to complete the process varies between 10 and 20 minutes depending on various conditions. If the printer identifies a problem when preparing the printheads, the process can take up to 30 minutes. After all printheads are checked and prepared, the printhead realignment procedure runs automatically if substrate is loaded. This is an important step to achieve the best possible image quality after changing one or more printheads. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos or on our YouTube channel.